Oh wow. Yeah, that's the problem right there. Man, the whole pipe's lifted up. Oh wow.
Dirt right there.
Yep. That's the problem.
Belly.
Keep going. How the heck did that happen? Push hard. Oh, went up the vent. Why'd you do that? Pull it back.
Right.
I mean, push it in hard. As far as it goes.
The vent.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep on going. Do I go up the vent, or is that without a churn?
It looks
A
like
hard churn. What is that there? Keep going. Will it go in?
Go anymore after that.
It's probably going uphill, huh?
I think it's the vent, because look, it goes straight up.
Oh, but you said you heard it all the way to the back, huh? All right, go ahead. Pull it back.
Straight up.
That's fine. Pull it back. Slowly, slowly. Okay. Let's see how much is broken. Excuse me, sir? Yeah, this is the problem right here. Right there it starts. Oh, pull it. Go forward. Go forward. Yeah, your line is broken. So he's already like to the all the way like by the toilets, and he's pulling it back. Oh, he's okay. He's pushing it through now.
So you can see where it is.
Pushing it all the way to the end. And then that's the vent. See how it goes up? That's the vent.
Yeah.
So he's gonna pull it back. You see all that rocks? Those are all rocks. Go in again. Go in. Go in. Okay. Go in a little bit more. Yeah, so somewhere like around that area, we would have to cut the line. And then you can see it goes into rocks, and then go pull back. And then you can see the pipes lifted up. Look at it. It's all lifted up. Go back more. No, don't go in. Go back. You can see all the pipes lifted up. Go back more. More. So like this is probably where we would cut, and all that needs to be replaced. So you can see how it's good here.
Yeah.
So go in again. Yeah, this is pretty bad. You're gonna have this problem again right away. Right there, boom, it's broken right there. See, it's all cracked. All that's lifted up. Look, it's all lifted. That's why you have all the rocks just coming in. The water's going into that crack, shooting all the rocks up. Wow. Pull it all back.
Go forward?
No, just pull it all out now. That's why when he ran the snake this way, he couldn't get through it. I was able to because I know little tricks to get by stuff, but even me, I was, luckily I got through it. Let me see. Take a picture of the house with the camera so we know. Oh, he's right here watching it. No, it's here. Okay. Thank you.